Hello guys, system image backup lets you restore the entire Windows 10 or 11 system when you are unable to boot. Here is the step to create Windows 10 or 11 system image backup. Windows 10 has multiple built-in backup systems to help you backup the entire system or individual files. For example, to backup files in a specific drive, you can use the file history feature. Alternatively, you can backup the OS itself with Windows 10 image system image. When something goes wrong and you are unable to boot into the OS, or if it is acting out of order, you can simply restore the system image to revert it to a non-good state. Another example, I always do an image backup after fully setting up the system always. That way, even if I or the Windows update messes something, I just restore the image backup. Compared to reinstalling Windows and setting up everything back, the backup and restore process is painless and user friendly. Without any further delay, let us go to the steps. Before creating the system image backup, I recommend you to set up Windows the way you want, like installing all the softwares, drivers, settings, etc. That way, after restoring the system, it will be ready to go without any extra configuration. Things you need to create a Windows system image and backup is an external hard disk or USB drive that is at least as big as your C drive. If your C drive is 200 GB, the destination backup image drive should be more than 200 GB, and the drive should be formatted as NTFS. FAT30 to exFAT or other file system formats are not supported. And another optional thing you need is a USB drive to create the recovery or repair rescue disk, so that you can boot from that disk and select the restore image after booting from that USB. Let's go to the steps right away. In Windows 11, the option is moved to old style control panel, because the system image backup option is same as Windows 7 image backup option. So type control panel in Windows search and open it. Then click backup and restore Windows 7. Don't be confused with Windows 7. This process is applicable for Windows 10 and 11 too. There you can see create system image. Create a system image. This option is used to create entire image of the system disk, C drive, and the softwares installed, Windows, everything on your system will be saved as an image, so that you can create or restore an entire same image of your current Windows. Okay, I got another secondary hard disk installed in this computer, so that I can select any of these partitions which is having enough free space. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the disk having enough space, so that I am going to connect an external drive. Okay, I just connected an external drive which is having 500 GB free of space. Click next. Then leave all these default settings ticked. Do not add another drives if you don't want to create a backup for your data drive, because no need to recreate or reinstall anything on the backup drive. the backup drive will be intact even if we reinstall Windows. So you don't have to select backup drives or data drives. Partition you need to select is EFI system partition and system drive, that is C. After confirming the proper drives are selected, click next. It will be showing a warning: any existing system images for this machine might be overwritten. That means if you have created a backup previously, that backup will be overwritten by current backup, because it is an incremental backup. Old backup will be overwritten. The process has been started. It may take a while, so I am taking a break. I will be back after completing the process. Once this backup has been completed, you will be seeing a prompt asking you to create a system repair disk. The system repair disk will enable you to restore the system image when Windows is not bootable. If you don't have a system repair disk, insert an empty USB drive that is at least 4 GB and click the yes button and follow the wizard to complete the repair disk creation process. After completing entire process, you are ready to restore the system. You can boot from that rescue disk created and go to the advanced options shows there, then select system image recovery and follow the wizard. That's all. Rest of the process will be taken care by the backup process. I hope the tutorial is helpful, and if you have any problem creating a backup image, or if you have any comments or question, you can mention it that in comment box. I will try to help as much as possible. If you like this tutorial, kindly subscribe and like the video and enable the bell button to get new videos whenever it is released. Thank you.